Okay. Okay, listen. I need to confess something first. I hate budgeting. I don't dislike it. I don't struggle with it. I hate it. Like spreadsheets? Apps asking me to categorize expenses? Bro, I am a baboon. My brain does not do categories. My brain does bananas. So one day, I tried budgeting. I opened an app. It said, set monthly limits. I said, why are you yelling at me? Then it showed charts, pie charts, bars, colors, percentages. Yeah, no. Baboon brain overheated. Banana not found. So I closed the app and I did what every intelligent baboon does. I made my own rule. I call it dramatic pause, the 5 banana rule. Now listen carefully. This is advanced finance. Very complex. Only baboon IQ 10,000 can understand. Okay. Imagine every month you get 5 bananas. Not 4, not 47, just 5. That's it. That's your whole life. Now, banana number 1. This banana is for shelter, rent, electricity, internet, whatever keeps rain from touching your face. If baboon does not give banana 1 to rent, baboon sleeps outside. Outside has bugs. Bugs bite. Baboon unhappy. So banana 1 is non-negotiable. No drama, no excuses. Pay cave first. Okay, banana number 2. This is for food. Not luxury food, not organic, gluten-free, imported from Mars food. Just food that keeps baboon alive. Rice, dal, eggs, basic stuff. If baboon spends banana 2 on fancy snacks, baboon hungry later. Hungry baboon makes bad money decisions. Hungry baboon buys crypto at top. We don't want that. Banana 2 equals fuel, nothing else. Now, banana number 3. This banana, baboon does not touch. Ever. This is saving banana, emergency banana, doctor banana, phone breaks for no reason banana. Baboon hides this banana behind big rock. Baboon forgets it exists because baboon knows future baboon is dumb and emotional. Yes, I'm talking about you. No saving equals panic. Panic equals loans. Loans equals pain. So, banana 3 stays untouched, period. Now, banana number 4. This banana, baboon's favorite banana. Investment banana. Baboon does not eat this banana today. Baboon plants it. Stocks, index funds, assets that grow while baboon sleeps. Baboon waits. Time passes. Banana tree grows. Later, one banana becomes many bananas. Baboon feels smart. Baboon chest out. Baboon nods like he understands economy. This banana is how poor baboon becomes rich baboon. Okay, last one. Banana number 5. This banana is for fun. Yes, fun. Because if baboon never has fun, baboon quits budget in 3 days. This banana is for movies, games, coffee, small happiness. Baboon enjoys life. Baboon stays sane. Now, here is the most important rule. If baboon spends 6 bananas, baboon has stolen from future baboon. Future baboon wakes up angry. Future baboon has no savings. Future baboon is stressed. And angry future baboon ruins present baboon's life. So, the rule is simple. You don't need complicated budgets. You don't need 15 categories. You don't need guilt. You need clear bananas. Know where each banana goes. Respect the bananas. Protect future baboon. That's it. Baboon no longer stressed. Baboon no longer broke. Baboon finally understands money. Because money is just bananas with trust issues. All right, go manage your bananas.